Yes, good morning, beta, once again. So you can see the filled board here because this chapter, the most difficult ones when we compare to others, fine? So this information is required. So firstly, you will start from here. Keep on noting down the points and I'll explain it to you. Chapter's name is the third level. This chapter is going to tell us about the mental problem or illnesses, that how we people keep on thinking about one thing and we start imagining and we start having hallucinations of those places and people who do not exist even in our lives. Fine. So the third level is that level which does not exist actually, but it is in the mind of the protagonist main character Charlie. Clear? First of all, please stop writing and just look here. I'll be giving you enough time to note down. पहले ये समझ लो इसको. Fine. So characters are Charlie. He's the protagonist, main character. He's 31-year-old man, and he looks very ordinary, just like us. He's nothing special about his appearance. Fine. And second character is Lucia. Lucia is wife of Charlie. Fine. And third character is Sam, who is friend of Charlie as well as he is psychiatrist also. Psychiatrist is the person who deals with people having mental problems. Okay? Okay, Shrey? Please sit properly. And back ko rakh do side pe. We can live without these things, okay? For a while. Clear hai characters? Who's Lucia? Shrey? Who's Sam? And what does he do? Psychiatrist. Fine. Clear? So now let's talk about the three levels. We are talking about the third level. Actually, what is first level? You can get question about that. This is a smart thing you should know. In the boards, they are going to check your analytical thinking only. So level 1 is for trains like 20th century. When we go to railway stations, there are different platforms or levels, or in India, we call it differently. In abroad, we call it maybe levels or differently. Fine. So level 1 is there on the platform, railway platform, that is meant for trains like 20th century, old times. Fine. Level 2 was there for suburban trains. So when time passes by, improvement is there for different kinds of train come over. So suburban trains ke liye level 2 tha. But on the railway platform, there was no third level at all. Clear? Geographically, physically, it was not present. Shrey, please sit properly. And please listen. This is your benefit only. Clear? I could have not written anything over the board. I could have just narrated you the story also. But we have written something because this is important. So, third level is actually, this is in the mind of Charlie, who's having imagination of that level or hallucination. The things which do not exist, he is seeing those things. Clear? So, tunnel with a sharp left turn, he thinks in his mind to that level that he starts seeing it. Then smaller rooms. What is this? Is the description. These sub points are the description of this third level. And when he thinks of that third level in which there is a tunnel, fine, and with a sharp left turn karte kya aata hai aage? Smaller rooms as compared to these two levels. Smaller rooms, fewer. Why second degree is used? Because it is being compared to first two levels. Clear? Fewer ticket windows and gates over there. Come hai. Wooden work is there. People with derby hat and old-fashioned clothes. Now, specifically mentioning here, people are having different kind of clothing, the way they used to dress up in the previous era. Clear? And now people are modern. They are, you can say, differently dressed up. But he is seeing the people wearing derby hats and old-fashioned clothes and high-collared. Proper description is given in your chapter. Find the kind of coats and cloaks they are wearing. And then very important fact is, he also saw a newspaper named The World, which was dated 11th June 1894. Means it dates back to old era. Clear? And newspaper The World does not exist now in Charlie's life. It is the newspaper from the old times. So all these points show that Charlie has reached to the level, third level, means he is imagining all the things from the previous era which do not exist now. Clear? And why? The reason is, what is the theme of the chapter? Why he is imagining the third level? In detail we discussed. Do you remember, Prab? Yes, very good. He wanted war-free, peaceful atmosphere. People were living simple lives. They were freely moving here and there. No burdens, no, you can say, heavy promises to be made up. Very easy going life was there. People would sit here and there, eat and roam and walk. Fine. But now, as you say, suburban trains, 20th century trains, this is the development period also. And the more we develop technologically, the more we people are engrossed the busy life, the more we are dependent upon technology, more mental illnesses we people are having. Fine, more burdens we people are going through. That's why actually we run back to such era jahan pe comfort tha. But now he's not at all comfortable. His mind is not at peace. And that's why one very important fact, he would collect what? You tell me. Yes, Suhani. Stamps of old times. Actually, this is a hobby, fine, in which he would collect the stamps. But actually, this hobby is a kind of a solace to him, a kind of satisfaction to him, that he wants to run away from the present scenario of very hectic life, and he wants to run back to those things. तभी वो पुराने time की चीजें इकट्ठी कर रहा है, because he is deeply emotionally attached to those times which he is missing now. Clear? So that is the theme. Now 3 levels are clear to all of you. Any doubt? Now coming back to the value points, what is there in the chapter? First of all, we know that who Charlie is, who Lucia is, and who Sam is. Clear? All the characters are clear to us. So in the beginning of the Charlie's encounter with the clerk, fine. What he does when he meets clerk, he demanded 2 tickets for Galesburg, and it is all imagination. When he meets the clerk over there, he demands 2 tickets to Galesburg, Illinois, that place. And when he offers money, new currency was not accepted by the clerk over there. When he, having the currency of the, because he was imagining everything, he reaches to the 3rd level, he sees fewer ticket windows, ticket window pe jata hai, and he gives money, and he says, ask for the 2 tickets for the Galesburg, one for himself and one for his wife. So he thought, I will be moving back to that place. Actually, this is all imagination. So when he goes there at the ticket window, he was shocked to see that new currency was not at all accepted. Old currency was lying there in one of the desks. So he saw, he eyewitnessed that. So he was shocked. Clear? Then what happens? Charlie's visit to coin dealer. You can imagine that how he is affected with that 3rd level, that he goes to the coin dealer and he goes for money exchange, that I should give more money, and when you go for exchange, you know that you get less amount of money back. You have to bear a loss, whether it's a big loss or the petty one, but even you have to exchange money at the loss only. So he goes to that coin dealer, he exchanges money over there. Fine. Purpose to buy old money. He gains $200 in old style for $300. You need to remember that, write down. Okay, note kar lena. He gives $300 to them, but in return he gets $200. So loss of $100 here. Fine. After that, next point is Lucia's reaction. Lucia is wife of Charlie, and she is very worried. She discusses this thing with his wife also, and she is eyewitnessing the change in Charlie also. She is very worried. Why my husband is behaving like this? Why he's all the time in depressed mode? So she suggests, she is the one who suggests that you should see a psychiatrist. Your friend Sam is there. Let's take his opinion, what he has to say about this. Okay, so this is the story. And then opinion of psychiatrist. Psychiatrist was smart enough to perceive. उसके reasons क्या होते हैं? He says that modern world is full of insecurity. Modern world is full of fear and worries. बहुत सारी tensions हैं. Clear? And Charlie wants to escape. The theory of escapism. Escape means bhagna situations. There are two kinds of people who face the situation, and second kind of people, those who get scared, they are escapist. वो कहते भागो, टेस्ट है आज इंग्लिश का, आज आना ही नहीं है स्कूल हमने, तो लेट्स रन. That is the attitude of escapist. Those who are prepared or not, okay, we will continue giving whatever result will be. You have to face it. Means you are mentally strong here. This is one example I'm giving you. So he was an escapist. Psychiatrist says that Charlie is facing insecurity. Fine. And that's why he wants to escape from this situation. This is the reason why he's suffering this. Fine. And then he says that he is having the, क्योंकि जब कोई psychiatrist आपको देखता है ना, वो आपकी history देखता है पहले, that what does you do in your personal life, what does a person do in the daily routine, in the past what happened to him, any loss happened, any injury happened, any kind of person he lost, why he's behaving. Then he goes to the root cause. तो wife बताती है psychiatrist को that he does stamp collection of old times. He says if he is into collecting the stamps, it means he is getting a refuge, fine, into those era, old times. So it is a kind of satisfaction which he gets. That's why he is getting a satisfaction in collecting the stamps of old times. He's actually badly missing those times when everything was very easy and simple. Clear? So that was the opinion of psychiatrist. Then first day cover. What does the first day cover here? Write down. It is a new stamp issued, bought by stamp collectors and mailed to themselves on the very first day. जो first day covers होते हैं, वो वाली stamps होती हैं, which were bought by the stamp collectors and very first day they get it. Fine. So it contains just a blank paper in the case of Charlie. When now it was all complicated so far. He was trying to come out of the third level. He was working hard. His wife was working hard. And then we get to know that Sam's venture into Galesburg. Sam is psychiatrist himself. The person who is helping the other people to come out of imaginary conditions or from the past or from any kind of such things. He himself was trapped into this third level. Clear? When chapter ends, Sam we got a letter in which it was written. Yes? Which one? हाँ जी, हाँ, Sam का जो letter था ना, that was in name of Charlie. Fine. And what was written in that? That he has found the third level. Fine, according to him. And some people are singing "Seeing Nelly Home." It means this is a song when people used to sing for homecoming of war. जब war से लोग वापस आते थे तो वो ये गाना गाते थे. So he says in that letter that he has found the third level. He has seen people playing pianos. He has seen people listening to the song "Seeing Nelly Home" coming back. ऐसा कोई song था, "Seeing Nelly Home." So 3 words are there. And he says he is being invited to have lemonade. Fine, simple things. He also invites Charlie to visit him at the Galesburg so that he can also achieve his third level. Fine. So the story ends over there. It means all of them, most of them were suffering from the present day scenario. They were not at all at peace. Clear? They wanted seclusion, they wanted peace, they wanted rest. So that's why they were running back from the present day difficult situations to easy going simple life. Clear? So he was trying to search the third level, and Sam on the meanwhile says, I have found my third level, and I also wish that you will also find your third level one day. So third level की definition सबके लिए अलग अलग हो सकती है. क्लियर? किसी के लिए वो गेल्सबर्ग की लाइफ है, किसी के लिए कुछ और है. फाइन. सो दिस इज द चैप्टर. क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? एनी डाउट? Let me see if any questions from the same chapter. So if I ask you what is the theme of this chapter, what will you say? In 1-2 lines, yes, Amitosh, what is the theme of this chapter? Yes, अभी बताया मैंने. Message or theme? What do you get to learn from this chapter? वही बस ऐसे ही कर करके हो जाना है. Then you say yes. Very good. Fine. So story reflects that life in the earlier times was much happier and simpler. अभी भी सुन लोगे तो फायदा आपका ही, अभी भी नहीं सुन रहे. So people in the earlier times, they were not anxious, they were not scared of any situation because they have made their life very simple. जो आजकल के लोग हैं in present day scenario, a significant theme of escapism. Escapism means भागना situation से. People are so overburdened, they are full of fear, insecurity, and other negative thoughts, and depression and other mental illnesses that they want to run away from that situation. Clear? So another significant theme, एक और theme है, very important one, that is time travel. In the beginning, we have done that also. Time travel is the problem of many people, that they go back to those times when they had good times. Fine. आपने movies में तो बहुत देखा है time travel का scene, but in real life it happens when you are not able to concentrate on the present scene. Either you switch back to past or you linger to the future. Both are the cases of time travel. Okay? अगर आपको theme आ जाए, you should know. Tomorrow we have period. एक है हमारा, अभी टाइम है, एक और चैप्टर हो जाएगा. आधा नहीं, देन पूरा ही होएगा. तो एनिमी चैप्टर वैसे आपको काफी अच्छे से आता है एनिमी. फाइन. हैव यू नोटेड डाउन दीज पॉइंट्स एवरीबॉडी? सो नाउ लेट मी डिस्कस some points of the enemy. Fine. So that tomorrow we can do something else. Just note down, because if I start writing on the board, bell will go and that will be sheer wastage of time. ठीक है, जल्दी से लिख लो. Characters of this chapter. The enemy है chapter का name, और the enemy भी बोल सकते हो. Japanese doctor, Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao लिख के ब्रैकेट में लिख लो. Japanese doctor. Hana, Hana, his wife. General, third character is General, General. Fourth character is Tom. Who is Tom? American prisoner of war. American prisoner of war, Tom, fourth character. Then fifth is Yumi, house help थी उनकी, जो बच्चों को देखती थी. House help Yumi. And gardener was there. These are less important characters, but we should know. Okay. So Dr. Sadao is a very competent doctor. He's a Japanese doctor. Fine. He learned medicine and surgery at US. Clear? He learned surgery and medicine at US, United States, though he's a Japanese. And he got married to Hana. He met Hana in US itself. And before falling in love, he made it sure that whether she belongs to same country, Japan only, because his father was very typical Japanese man. So he knew that he cannot marry a girl. He liked Hana, but even then he made sure that when he got to know that she also hails from Japan, he was so happy. Fine. And he married to Hana after coming back to Japan in a typical traditional way. उसका जो घर भी था, that was also typical Japanese home, especially the room of his father, who believed, who gave very good, he raised his son in a good way. Fine. So credit goes to Sadao's father also. Though he believed in love for the nation and country, but he raised him in a nice way. Clear? And then Sadao turned out to be a very competent doctor. Yeah, he was very competent doctor. Then reason of stay back at the time of World War. So what happens? World War was going on and every doctor was getting appointed with the army. But Dr. Sadao was not at all appointed. Reason was he was personal doctor of general of the army also. So general jo tha, his health was deteriorating. That's why he thought that this Dr. Sadao will not be sent there at the war. So he was there under medical treatment of Dr. Sadao. Clear? If you get the reason that why he was not sent with the other army people in the World War II. The reason was he wanted to take care of old general. So coming of that enemy, now when one day Dr. Sadao and Hannah were standing outside their house was located at coastal area at the seashore, fine. And they were standing over there. Then suddenly they saw a misty image coming out of the ocean. It was limping, it was falling on the ground, standing, they thought, and finally it fell on the ground. So when they thought that one of the fishermen, because that was a common scene over there, got wounded and lying over there. Unko laga koi fisherman gira shayad. But actually it was that American prisoner of war named Tom. He had run and that's why he got a bullet at his back. तो वो prisoner था क्योंकि वर्ल्ड वॉर चल रहा था. एनिमी जापान एंड यूएस वॉर एट वॉर. बोथ ऑफ देम वर एट वॉर. इन दोनों कंट्रीज का वॉर था. एंड ही वाज फ्रॉम ऑपोजिट कंट्री, ऑब्वियसली अमेरिका. Though Dr. Sadao learned medicine and surgery from US, but right now he is doctor of Japan and he is at service to the general of Japan's army only. तो उसकी जो जिम्मेवारी है किसकी तरफ बनती है? जापान की तरफ. So this is the story in which conflict is there. Duty towards one country, towards duty towards your profession of being a doctor. तो यही इसका theme है. Clear? And when they saw that bullet is there at the back, and then they saw US Navy was written on the cap of that soldier, they saw his face, he was American boy, very young age boy, and then they perceived ki, okay, this is from opposite country, what to do now? So Hannah straight away suggested to throw him away into the waters. Dr. Sadao also agreed. They were saying, but they were just mere words. They were not moving to, pick that boy and throw him into the water. They could not. Why? Now, the preachings of his father. Dr. Sadao was raised in as a good human being, as a good doctor also. So his conscience didn't allow him to throw a person who's dying. If a doctor sees a patient, his first duty is to save him. So he chose his profession over his nation. This is the theme of the chapter. And he got to know that he is an escaped prisoner. And even then he treated him, they took him into the father's room. So this is the ironical condition, beta. In typical Japanese room, his father hated this thing. His father is no more now. After 8 years of marriage, he is no more. But American prisoner is lying on his father's bed, having that condition that he is about to die. Clear? But even then, this is irony of the situation. Kiske room mein? Father who used to love Japan a lot. Clear? Please keep sitting. So dilemma is that कि उसको क्या करना चाहिए? National loyalty or enemy wounded को attend करना. So he performs his duties as a doctor. He watched it. He operated upon it. He saved his life. Then house help protested that they will not be with them. Even then, Hannah cooperated with Dr. Sadao. She gave anesthetic to that boy. And then he stood firmly with her husband. And finally, they saved. General suggested that he would be sending private assassins to kill him. But he could not send because he was busy with his own health. Fine. And he forgot. And final decision was made by Dr. Sadao. He provides the boat, flashlight, food, clothing, and he arranged his escape. That shows as a doctor, as a human being, he won and he did not forget his values.